Okay, so this one is adorable. It's the cutest little Lulu Guiness black quilted bag. It's just so cute. So it has got a long strap, so it's shoulder or crossbody, and it is an adjustable strap. And on the buckle it says Lulu Guiness London, which I don't know if the camera's going to focus on that. But it says Lulu Guiness London, and we've got Lulu Guiness on the plaque on the front, and it's just a fabulous black quilted in excellent condition all the way throughout. Of course, my favourite thing is the Lulu Guiness zip pull. It's just so cute. Okay, so we open that up, and inside we have of course got Lulu Guiness fabulous lining. It's a kind of dark green stripe lining, and we've got one zipped pocket there, again with the little tiny Lulu Guiness zip pull, which I can't, there you go, just there, and your Lulu Guiness plaque is there. So super cute, adorable little quilted number in fantastic condition.